Good morning, welcome to the Cool Surf Guy channel. Oh yeah, it's a zoo out there today. Looks like everything is starting to finally open back up from the whole COVID thing and stuff, and everybody is traveling, like long lines, traffic, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, but here we are. I am on my way to Cabo. Yay! My friends have already kind of been out there since this past Saturday, so I'm just catching up on the tail end. I kind of feel like they might be already partied out by the time I get there, which is cool. I'm just looking to chill, have some fun, hoping to squeeze in the surf session and stuff like that. So yeah, but yeah, just about to board. Got a little quick breakfast. Sorry, it's all jumbled and stuff before I get on, and we should be good. I'll catch you guys when I land in Cabo. I'm smiling, but you can't see it because I'm wearing a mask. I made it. I just finally checked in. This place is amazing. Look at that architecture. So I'm kind of bummed out. Today was supposed to be the private yacht day, so we rented a yacht and we were supposed to go out, and I missed it by 4 hours because what was supposed to be me being here at like 3, it is now I think almost 7. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some food, wait for my buddies to come back, and we're gonna catch up and have some fun. This is totally sick. Look at that. Maybe one of those is the private yacht that we took. That didn't work. Oh, I'm finally here. This is my first meal of the day. I'm so hungry, I'm just scarfing everything out. But starters is really good crab cake. Got some surfer turf coming out pretty soon, and dessert. Oh, so hungry. So I used to play Maple Story, right? Yeah, hold on. Sorry, I'm so hungry. I ate half of it, but this is that's a. There you go. This is my vlog. They overfueled it because the plane was just going to Hawaii. So they had to bring the guy to take the fuel out. And then right when we were about to take off, some kid didn't want to wear his mask. So they took the whole family off the airplane, but they didn't want to leave about the luggage. So the airline had to go back and had to pull their luggage. It took an extra hour just because of that. So. Hey, Dylan! What's up, Kevin? I brought Kevin a steak. Oh, amazing! Good afternoon. Welcome to the Cool Surf Guy channel. Okay, so the other day we had this really cool 11 plan to get, or it was supposed to be on a private yacht, and I missed out on it because of the flight delay. But today we are in store for a treat because boom, oh, everybody walked away. What the hey. We are going to be doing a guided tour on some quads. Oh, this is gonna be sick, guys. This is gonna be sick. Oh shit, nice, dude. That's for the racers?
Ooh! Ah, this is for the racers, baby!
I didn't want to. I feel the need for speed. Da, 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 da.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna be driving the skiers of the national park, alright? We're gonna get into a local community, so we're not gonna be alone up there, alright? We're gonna have traffic by the local people up there, and these routes, they use it for local race, so we might have, you know, racers up there as well. So yeah, so we're gonna drive in one single caravan, one single line.
high when I'm low.
How are you guys? Nice.
Okay, we have a hot egg, quesadillas, tequila, cerveza, mezcal. We're gonna get the party started. That's right. No? So guys, if you need to go to the bathroom, welcome to Mexico. Don't be shy, it's not in the class. Now we have some water out there. Later, you guys wanna get some water. You can do that, but take some food for the tequila later.
Close to me, close to me, close to me.
I think I did it again. I broke my GoPro. Yeah.